Do do do. Recording. Oh, my phone battery's dead. Well, not really dead. It's like almost dead. If I was listening to music, it might be dead by the time I got to Peter's. Probably should have disconnected the Bluetooth. Oh man, a bad thing about having Bluetooth is you don't know who's calling you. Holy cow. And it's like there are people out there that, if they call, I have to answer. I have to be there real quick. It's a bad thing. One of the things I enjoyed about riding a motorcycle is being alone. So Rev Bomb asked a question. I was just watching one of his YouTube videos. The question was, why do you motorcycle? Well, that's a good question. No idea. I'll have to think about that. How do you not think motorcycling is great? I mean, really, on a serious note, how do you not think motorcycling is great? I don't understand it. There's a level of, control being on a bike. There's a level of awareness, situational awareness that you develop being on a bike for years. No accidents. When I was a young kid, man, I used to see these old guys that would retire. They would retire and retire their bikes. They would keep riding as long as they could, but in a nutshell, they'd retire, die in an armchair. So it happens. You can beat the odds. But it's so damn fun. I don't know. I always said it's the closest to physics I think I'm ever going to get. I was always bad at math, but holy cow, you don't have to be good at math to enjoy physics. The fuck is this? Holy shit. You're joking. Wow. Someone got an Indian fucking Scout, is what somebody got. Peter. I didn't expect this. This is why Peter wanted to go out riding, huh? Or it's somebody else's. I bet it's Peter's. Is that yours? That's Peter's. Huh. Wow. Oh my God, that Hillary supporter, holy cow, she needs some rings on those pistons. Damn. You gotta change the oil on that Jeep. Oh, third gear pull. It's so fun. Being in my helmet. I guess, yeah, that's another thing. I wonder if... I don't think open face helmet people scream in their helmet. Maybe that's one reason why I like to ride motorcycles, Mr. Rev Bomb. Why do I like to ride motorcycles? I like to ride motorcycles because who doesn't? God, I keep coming back to that. It's like, really? And I do. I think about that a lot because I meet people and I'm like, surely, dude, you got a bike? And they're like, no, never rode it. No, never thought about it. Too dangerous. Got kids. Mom wouldn't let me have one. It's like, wow, holy cow. On the phone. Don't know if you saw that. Why do I ride? God. Yeah, when I was a little kid, like my earliest memory of a motorcycle were these older kids that were riding dirt bikes in the woods near my house. And these were kids from the neighborhood. I think one of them was like one of my neighborhood friends' older brothers, and we'd watch them. Of course, I was too young; they wouldn't let me on them, but we moved. But yeah, it's like my earliest memory. These kids were fucking cool.